Your financial advisor is keeping you poor on purpose. 1 in 5 Americans roughly have financial advisors, and the advisor doesn't really know it. They've been licensed to sell bullshit, and they have a limited perspective on all things finance and investing in the marketplace. They know stocks, bonds, ETFs, mutual funds. They don't know real estate. They don't know oil. They don't know private equity. They don't know off-market investments. They just don't. They're not incentivized to sell that stuff. What they do is the things that are indexed to the stock market and that the SEC can get their profits in and that the government can collect their taxes in that make you 7, 9, 10, 11%. That's what they know how to do. But those are not the investments that make you wealthy. You can't expect a different result, guys. If you invest like a middle-class citizen, and if you invest like your mom and dad that worked their tits off until they were 65, then you're gonna end up in the same exact place. So you gotta get wise, you gotta get smart, and it's just math, guys. Like, think about inflation. Historically, it's been 3% in the United States. If you look under the Biden administration, it reached just over 9%. When your dollar's immensely inflated and other countries are not using it anymore, and you're losing 9%, you cannot be in a market where you're making 9, 10, or 11% and having to pay 20% capital gains. You really have to be in investments that make you 15, 16, 18% or more for you to get ahead, or else you will be 65 before you can retire. And by the time you end up realizing your profits, inflation has taken all of it, your taxes have taken all of it. So you need to, 1, invest in things that generate you 15, 20% plus in annual returns. 2, invest in things that lower your taxes. And 3, be able to have a strategy that allows you to duplicate and repeat as quickly as possible.